Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up the mail merge. So I've got two documents here. I've got this mail merge document here, this merge starter, and this is in Word, and I've just kind of typed up kind of the framework of the document that I'm going to use. I can put it, I've left here, like, so I've got to the parent or guardian of blank, your graduation time, and then whatever else you want for the body and everything else. You need to do this, even though we're going to email merge it, you need to do it in Word. The other document that I have open is this one, and this is an Excel document with your merge data from Cheryl. So hopefully it has first name, last name, whatever. You can put the grad date in here. Here's a cool feature I don't know if you're aware of. I put in the dates, like the times for the first two, if we're going to schedule them at 15-minute increments. So you don't have to go down and type those in. You can highlight those two and then click in the dot in the bottom right-hand corner and drag that down, and it will automatically fill those to every 15 minutes or whatever the time is that you set up. So set up your pattern in the first couple up here, and then once you're done with that, highlight the top two. You have to highlight two rows and then drag the bottom right hand corner down. Okay, so that's the starter document and then the spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back into Word. And now I'm going to go to, you should have this ribbon item here that says Mailings. Click on that, and what we want to do is we want to start Mail Merge, and we want to start email messages. And then the next thing we're going to do is select recipients, and that's where we're going to connect our list to our document. So I'm going to click Use an Existing List. And I'm going to find that starter document that I had. So I called mine, it's an Excel file, I called it Merge Data. It might be called something different if you got it from Cheryl. You're going to select the sheet. You probably only have one sheet if it's from Cheryl, and then the first row should contain headers. So make sure your first name, last name, all those things. Alright, once I've done that, now I can go in here and say to the parent or guardian of, and then I can insert a merge field first, and then I have to put the space in, and then last. If your first and last names are merged together in the data field, you don't have to worry about that part. So the graduation date, you would do the same thing, the date, and then the time. You do have to put in spaces, like here I didn't put in any space in the graduation time, so I can go back in and put in that space there, and then the body of the letter and all of that stuff. You can preview the results by clicking on this button right here, this View Merge Data, and what that'll do is it'll replace the contents of those placeholders with the names, and then you can just click through and you can see all the other information that you've got in there. And then when you're done and you're ready to go, you can click Finish and Merge. You have the choice to send it to individual documents to print them, or you can send email messages. So when you send email messages, it's going to pop up here, and then the to line, you just find the field that has the subject in it. And you can put whatever the subject line is. I don't think you can merge that info. I might have been able to before I typed it in, but probably best to not put personalized info in that. So send records, so I want to send all, and then I click OK, and then it's going to send an email to everybody that's in the file. So I'm not going to do that right at the moment. And that should be pretty much it.